Hello, collectors. Today we're going to be talking about the Eisenhower Bicentennial Dollar. Eisenhower silver set from San Francisco. As you see the S right here, this is a silver set from the San Francisco Mint. Now we're going to go over the Philadelphia one, the Philly one. This is type 2, and this is a Philadelphia one. This is a business strike. This is the Denver. As you see the D at the bottom right here. This is type 1, business strike again. In a few seconds, we will go over type 1 and type 2. Type 1 is a bold, thick lettering. Type 2 is thinner, more elegant lettering, as you see on the observed side. If you look closely, the type 1 is more thick. Type 2 is nice, elegant lettering. Now, if we look on the state, United States of America, on both coins, look at the state, the last two, the E and S. The type 1, the end of the S go right into the center of the E, and the type 2, the S go right to the lower bottom of the E. And this is another way, as you see in the picture, with the red arrow pointing into both the type 1 and the type 2. In here, I'll give you an explanation how to know the difference. Now, if you have a type 1 MS6667, that can be worth some money. So preserve it. Make sure you use gloves when you deal with your coin. I hope you enjoy this video. If you are the first time watcher, you can subscribe to us, support us, write a comment, tell us what you think. Until the next time, so long.